I got to get going to just.
Achoo! 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 Let's see now. Let's see if this place is clean now.
What in the heck is this supposed to be, sweetie? I hope you didn't sneeze on my special computer, and my special clock, and my special keyboard, and my special... You know what? You're grounded for 7 months. I wouldn't even have to say this. Go to your room right now, or I will put all your sneezes in the trash, and you will go outside and be more suffering than ever. To clean up all this mess, because you've been doing all of this. On Christmas? No way, Jose. You're not been doing this. Whatever you do on my special things, whenever you're a teeny tiny baby and you pooped on my stuff, that's not gonna even make sense. Oh look, you see? Your Powerball was in your sneeze. Now, the sneezes are gone forever. And here's the thing I'm telling you. If I see one more sneeze in this room, you're grounded. No more detention. I will tell your teacher that you're suspended for 100 days because of you sneezing in our room almost. Every single room except the outside. Hello, teacher? Let's see. That must be it now. Goodness gracious. Let me help. Hello? Yes. My daughter was sneezing everywhere, so could you get her suspended for 100 days? Oh, yeah. That would be the perfect plan. At night. Perfect.
Now go to my room. Now let's see if I can get to my room and do something. Bounce, 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 bouncy, bounce. Going to sleep. Hello? Is it you, Mommy? No, it's not you. It's not me. How could it possibly be me? I'm not your mommy. I'm just your babysitter. I don't want the babysitter. I don't want the babysitter. I don't want a babysitter. I gotta get out of this place. Get on the computers. Oh, what was
You're dead now.